Okay, so I have a washer that was throwing out a code 4C earlier. It's that one that you see there on the arrow. And the manual says to look at the water supply. And yeah, you can do that. I took it out, back here, checked that everything was running, checked the little filters in there to make sure that nothing was clogged. Everything checked out okay. So then obviously I went, next step was in here because it's not filling up, and you can see each one of these solenoids opens up based on the signal that it gets from the PCB, and you basically measure the resistance across of each one, right? And if I measure one that is working, you can either pull the plug or just measure from the back, right? Bear with me because I'm doing this one-handed. You should get about a K ohm. I think the specs call anywhere from 500 ohms to maybe 1500 ohms depending on your washer model. But the point is, you should get this one. I get about one kilo ohm, and turns out that I've got this one here is bad, and this one here that I'm pointing, see, when I put it here, I get nothing. So what happened? It went bad, and that's according to the drawing on the stamp here. I don't know if you can see it. That's the one that works the steam and power jet. And on my model, everything that uses the steam cycle is all of these. So of course I got to that part in the cycle, and it couldn't. That solenoid probably didn't fire. Water didn't come through, and so it threw the error code. Anyway, any of those solenoids could fire. I actually got my backup here that I had gotten some years back just in case. I found it real cheap online, and I can confirm that if I put the one that I'm not getting the readout. Hang on a second. All right. I get 0.97 or close to the 1 k ohm that I should be getting, that I'm not getting over here. So that's the reason for the 4C on mine. I'll switch this one out, and it should be back up and running. Hope this helps someone. And yep, have a good one.